Correspondent Seema Gupta reports.
Basically, it involves the Code of Canon Law. Now, that's the in-house legal system, if you like, that you have at the Vatican that controls the 1.3 billion Catholics all around the world. But it's interesting to note that it covers a whole range of issues, but looking particularly on the issue of abuse by priests of not just children, but also other adults. So it's criminalized this abuse, saying that these priests will be defrocked if found guilty, if found guilty of doing this abuse by virtue of force, through threats, or abuse of power. The law also covers not just priests, but also lay people who work in church offices. So they could be the founders of any lay religious movements or church administrators who have also been found guilty of carrying out abuse of minors as well as adults. It's also interesting that the code even talks about criminalizing grooming of children and vulnerable adults who may have been groomed to take part in acts of pornography. So for the first time, we're actually seeing the word or the use of the term grooming and how that's being found as criminal. And it's also removed the discretion of bishops that may have in the past covered up or simply not investigated cases of abuse by those that are below them in church hierarchy. And if they don't investigate those cases and don't carry out the sanctions, they can be taken to task now as a result of these new laws that have been put in place within the Vatican Code of Laws that are there on these issues.
Seema Gupta for us there.